Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share some surprising health benefits of baking soda. Many people think of baking soda as just a common kitchen ingredient used for baking or cleaning. But did you know it can also be an amazing natural remedy? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has powerful healing properties that can help with digestion, skincare, oral hygiene, and even detoxification. In this video, I'll go over some of the best ways to use baking soda to improve your health and well-being, all in a natural and non-invasive way. Let's get started. 1. Instant relief from heartburn and acid reflux. If you've ever experienced acid reflux, indigestion, or heartburn, you know how uncomfortable and painful it can be. These issues often occur due to excess stomach acid, which leads to a burning sensation in the chest or throat. The good news? Baking soda is a natural antacid that can quickly neutralize stomach acid and provide relief. Simply dissolve 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. This simple solution can help ease discomfort from spicy foods, overeating, or stress-related indigestion. However, it's always best to use this remedy in moderation and consult a doctor if you have frequent acid reflux. A natural and effective mouthwash. Did you know that baking soda can freshen your breath and improve oral hygiene? Unlike commercial mouthwashes filled with artificial ingredients, baking soda provides natural antibacterial and antimicrobial benefits. To make a simple homemade mouthwash, mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 glass of warm water, swish it around in your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds, then spit out. This solution helps to neutralize bad breath, kill harmful bacteria, reduce the risk of gum infections. Regular use can help maintain a cleaner, fresher mouth, without the harsh chemicals found in commercial mouthwashes. A natural deodorant for odor control if you sweat a lot or struggle with body odor. Baking soda can be an excellent natural deodorant. The odor under your arms is caused by bacteria breaking down sweat, leading to an unpleasant smell. Baking soda neutralizes these odors by absorbing moisture and reducing bacteria. All you have to do is take a small amount of baking soda and lightly pat it under your armpits. You can also mix it with a little water or coconut oil to create a natural deodorant paste. This method is great for people who prefer to avoid commercial deodorants with harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances. Soothing itchy skin and sunburn relief. If you have itchy skin, insect bites, or a painful sunburn, baking soda can soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. It works by balancing the skin's pH and providing a cooling effect. Here's how to use it. For a relaxing baking soda bath, add 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to a tub of lukewarm water and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps relieve itchiness, rashes, and sunburns. For a targeted skin treatment, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a little water to make a paste. Apply it gently to the affected area. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with cool water. This simple remedy can help calm irritated skin and promote faster healing. Softening calluses and cracked feet. If you've ever noticed rough, hardened skin on your feet, it's likely due to calluses caused by poor footwear, friction, or pressure. Over time, these calluses can become uncomfortable or even painful. A baking soda foot soak can help soften calluses and rough skin, making it easier to remove them. Simply add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a basin of warm water. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Use a pumice stone to gently scrub the softened skin. This treatment is a great way to relax tired feet and keep them smooth and healthy. Brightening your smile and whitening teeth. Baking soda is a common ingredient in natural toothpaste because it helps remove surface stains and promote whiter teeth. It works by gently scrubbing away plaque and buildup without being too abrasive. To use baking soda as a DIY teeth whitener, mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Gently brush your teeth with the paste for about 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly and follow up with your regular toothpaste. Doing this once or twice a week can help maintain a brighter, healthier smile. 7. Treating acne and pimples naturally. If you struggle with breakouts, acne, or oily skin, baking soda can be a gentle and effective solution. Its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help dry out pimples and prevent new ones from forming. For an easy DIY acne treatment, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a paste. Apply it to affected areas and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and follow up with a moisturizer. Using this remedy a couple of times a week can help reduce acne and promote clearer skin. Natural relief for urinary tract infections, UTIs. Baking soda may also help relieve symptoms of urinary tract infections, UTIs, by making the urine less acidic, which can reduce discomfort and prevent bacteria from spreading. To use, dissolve 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it on an empty stomach. However, UTIs can be serious, so if symptoms persist, it's always best to consult a doctor for proper treatment. As you can see, baking soda is more than just a baking ingredient. It's a powerful natural remedy that can help with digestion, skincare, oral hygiene, and more. Best of all, it's affordable, easy to use, and chemical-free. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you use baking soda in your daily life.